In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest and fastest way to make $100 per day with Amazon. This method doesn't require you to buy cheap products from different parts of the world, make products yourself, complete micro tasks for pennies, or go to Walmart and hope that they have Barbies in stock. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so that you're notified when I upload a brand new video. And if you want my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Hello, I'm Alston with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income with affiliate marketing, and today I want to help you. Most of the videos and blog posts that I've read list Amazon FBA, retail arbitrage, and Amazon Mechanical Turk as great ways to make money with Amazon. But there are a few problems with these methods that I'm just going to cover with you right now. Amazon FBA can be dependent on finding products from China, buying those products, and sending them to an Amazon warehouse. Now, as we've seen with the pandemic, if there are any supply chain issues or shipping problems, it can take months to get a product delivered to the Amazon warehouse. Another issue that you run into is competition. And I'm not just talking about competition from shady competitors. I'm talking about competition from actual Amazon themselves. Now, Amazon has all of the data. They know what's selling. They know what isn't selling. And so what they've done in the past is if they see something that is selling and something that works, they're simply going to create their own product and they're going to sell it for less than what you're able to sell it for and make a profit. Amazon says that they don't do this, but they do. They have, and they've been caught doing it. And if you don't think they're doing it, how do you think Amazon Basics comes up with product ideas? They don't just shoot in the dark. They're using data. Some people will recommend Amazon Mechanical Turk. This is a website that you can go to complete micro tasks and make micro money. Basically, they're going to have you complete tasks that AI and bots can't do, like identifying things in pictures, and then they're going to pay you pennies on the dollar. Now, doing this is simply just a waste of your time. I recommend, from personal experience, don't do it. There are tons of YouTube videos and YouTube channels that'll tell you that this is a great way to make money in your spare time, but in reality, it's not. If you have spare time, you can create a business and start making real money and not just pennies on the dollar. Some people will recommend retail arbitrage. Retail arbitrage is basically going from Walmart to Walmart and buying Barbies. There are a few problems with this method. For example, how much money are you going to waste for the opportunity to buy one Barbie? Again, retail arbitrage is simply going to a bunch of different stores in your area, driving from place to place to place, and asking the store manager, asking someone there, hey, do you have a clearance section? Do you have these Barbies on sale? How much time are you going to waste driving from store to store just to leave empty-handed? Think about it. I've watched some of these videos, and the guy will drive 50 miles to a Walmart, and by the time he gets there, the Barbie that they said they had in stock is gone because maybe another arbitrager has figured it out. Maybe there was a little kid that just really wanted to play with the Barbie. What happens when you finally get your hands on those 8 Barbies, you ship them to Amazon, and they don't sell for another 8 months? How long will it take to actually start earning a return on your investment? If you have to sell on Amazon, here is the absolute best way to do it. The great thing with this method is you can start 100% for free, and you can get paid for months and even years to come. Now, if you don't know, Amazon has a program called Amazon Associates. Basically, it's a program where you can make passive income by recommending and selling Amazon products online. Now, there is a very easy, very straightforward way to do it. And I'm going to show you how to do that right away. So what you want to do is you want to go over to Amazon.com and scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you want to look for Become an Affiliate. When you click on Become an Affiliate, it's going to take you to the website affiliate-program.amazon.com. You are going to sign up to become an affiliate. When you click sign up, it's going to ask for a website. The website that you're going to put in is your YouTube channel. Yes, you will need to create a YouTube channel, but you don't need to show your face. So basically go through the process, sign up 100% for free. It takes probably 10 or 15 minutes. And then once you sign up, you need to figure out the type of content to create. Now, the easiest way and the most straightforward way to create content and start getting leads and sales with Amazon is to click on your best sellers. So if we go to best sellers here, it has it broken down in different categories. Well, most people on YouTube are creating content like Amazon Fire TV review, for example, or if we click on Amazon Fire Stick review, people are just simply putting in their Amazon affiliate link and making passive income. So when I type in Amazon Fire Stick review, I'm just going to click on this first result. This first result has 221,000 views, and this person has 664,000 subscribers. I'm going to click on this, and I'll show you that these people are following this exact method that I'm talking about right now. So the question that always comes up is, hey, this is only reserved for the large YouTube channels. How do I get started if I don't have a YouTube channel? There's a lot of people asking these very basic questions like YouTube is oversaturated. What I did was I typed in Amazon Fire Stick Review 2021 and look at the top result. This person only has 4.7 thousand subscribers. This is a tiny micro channel, and the top result has 900 views. They put in their affiliate link and they can make passive income. The one below that, 20,000 subscribers, again, a relatively small channel, has 62,000 views. They put their Amazon affiliate link. People click on that link, buy the product, you get paid a commission. Let me just show you the video that I just opened up. We need to, of course, pause this. If we scroll down here, these people should include, as you can see, these are links using the Amazon Associates method I just referenced. These are all affiliate links. So if I click on this link and I buy a product, it can be the product that he's recommending or any product, he potentially could get paid a commission. And it's really easy to do. What you can do is, as I mentioned, jump over to Amazon. And I want to actually go down to, I'm going to go down to appliance, the best appliance. These are all different appliances that you could potentially create content. So let me click on this GE Profile countertop nugget ice maker. I'm going to copy this right here, and I'm going to go over to YouTube and I'm going to paste this in. So I paste that in, hit enter, and the top result has 43,000 views, 128,000 subscribers, and they have their affiliate link. So this person created a simple 6-minute video about this ice maker, and when people click on the link and buy the product, he gets paid a commission. If we look below here, this person has created a full review, has only 1.8 thousand subscribers, 29,000 views on this one video here. And if he included his affiliate links, he can make passive income. Now, I'm sure you're asking, hey, I don't want to show my face. I want to do this, but I don't want to show my face. And there are a number of ways that you can do this. What you can do is you can find different B-roll. There's B-roll here that you could potentially play. You can go out and find different images. And when you talk about the product, the description, you can find B-roll of ice and talk about portability. You don't necessarily have to show your face. You could create a PowerPoint presentation. People are doing that and making passive income. You can talk about the strengths and weaknesses of the product based on consumer reviews. And if we look at the ratings here, there are tons of people that are already doing it. Another thing you can do is you can create content about answering these questions. People are asking very basic questions, and you can include videos on that as well. And you can do this over and over and over again. As you can see, people are giving this, poor ratings, and you can talk about some of the problems that you could potentially run into when you purchase this product. But this, in my opinion, is the easiest and best way to use Amazon and make $100 per day with Amazon, because again, it doesn't require you to drive around town. It doesn't require you to get shipping products and pay for the shipping up front and then hope that the product comes in time and you can potentially make money just for Amazon to steal your business. It doesn't require all of that. You are using Amazon to help make passive income. And oh, by the way, if your channel becomes monetized, you can make passive income from YouTube and Amazon, which will help you make even more money. And what I would recommend is that you can do this for multiple products. You should do this for multiple products. You can go back, right now we're talking about this ice maker. You can go back and talk about a stand mixer. You can talk about really anything over and over again, because people are going to be constantly searching for this product. If we go to, let's say, let's look at this refrigerator here. What we're going to do is we're just going to copy the name of this product here, copy, jump over to YouTube, and we are going to paste that right in, and we're going to hit enter. And when we do that, as you can see, the top result, 2.3 thousand views, only 79 subscribers. So this could be a good opportunity. You include your affiliate link. Again, you want to talk about the strengths and weaknesses of the product. This second result right here is doing the exact same thing. They only have 253 subscribers, 279 views, and it doesn't look like they're showing their face. And it's only a 1 minute and 51 second video. So you can do this too. The video below it, 51 views, 9 subscribers. And it looks like what they're doing is they're all using the same B-roll. In fact, what you can do is, again, you can do a PowerPoint and you can mix in video. You can mix in images of the product. You can get images from Google. If we just paste in the name of the product, hit enter, and then you can find different images that way, jump over to images, and then you can make passive income simply by creating content from different products. Again, this is much easier than going to store to store to store to look for Barbies and come up empty-handed. Now that you know the easiest way to make $100 per day with Amazon, click the first link in the description for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. When you click that first link, you're going to watch a video training that will show you how to start making passive income with affiliate marketing. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next to learn more tips and tricks to make money online with affiliate marketing. Also, check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online with affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.